Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate to previous page and the next page in Edge app on iPhone. Say suppose this is the website that you want to navigate. So you can see at the bottom there are two arrows signing at the left side and the right side. So right now when I go to the initial screen or the start screen, the left arrow is disabled, and when I tap on the right arrow, it will take me to the recent page where I navigated to previous page, which is Browser How. So in this way you can use this navigation button. Say suppose you are navigating within the website and you have visited a lot of pages and you want to quickly jump over to some other page which was in somewhere in the middle. So for that what you can do is you can tap and hold this arrow icon, and then it will display the list of all the pages that you have visited in this browsing session. Similarly, if you go back and tap and hold the forward arrow, it will display the recently visited page, and you can choose either of the page from the list. So in this way these arrows is used for navigating within the browsing session. However, these arrows will be enabled only within the browsing session. If you start a new separate browsing session, the arrows will be disabled, and as you continue to browse, the arrows will be active, and then you can navigate using these arrow commands. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.